All right, so this one is called like moving your hips side to side. I kind of call this like a leopard pose. So again, really good for the hips, strengthening the hips, knees, the back, any low back pain, but it kind of hits the whole lower body. So the easier way to do this is from a high stance, right? So the feet are gonna be slightly wider than the hips. And I'm gonna go to my left side first. So I'm gonna lean my weight here, right? My toes are still pointing forward. I'm just rotating my body. So I'm rotating to the right. And you almost think of like you're pulling, like a tug of war. So you wanna think of this. So you're gonna be pulling outwards like this. So this is working the hip and the low back. Again, shifting, turn to the right, pull. So you do this a couple times, like 3 or 4 times, right? Then go lean to the right, turn to the left, again, shifting. Or you can do this too. So this is just so you get the idea of that sensation of pulling. Now that's like easy for you. This actually requires more of like the hip strength, but you don't want to lose it where you're like falling backwards. So here, right, as you get better, toes are still pointing outwards, right? But this is more difficult as you get deeper, right? So here, I have a little bit more range of motion, my right hip. Here. So essentially you want to get even out here, right? This is where, but obviously go to where you're comfortable with. And again, you can use a chair. So you have a chair support that you can really lean in, get to that range of motion that's comfortable, and then go from here, right? Feeling this. Again, the main thing is feeling, having the toes pointed outwards. You can have the chair support. You can even, like, as you're getting more range of motion, just lean into it. You don't have to do that, but just lean into the hip. From here, both sides. So again, right, go at your level. So higher pose, leaning, turn, pulling. So this is still really good. You want to do this first. You want to be able to get, because you won't get any benefit if you're like struggling down here. So it's better to go higher, leaning and pull. So you're feeling the extension, the pulsing from your hip. Other side, here. So again, really great. It both strengthens your knee and the hip area and helps relieve low back pain. Everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. This is Dr. Kanita from Araya Holistic Pain Management, located here in Clarksburg, Maryland. I specialize in more holistic pain management, any sort of pain, chronic pain, emotional pain, stuff like that. If you want to know more about me or learn more about what I do, you can visit my website at www.arayaacupuncture.com. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys to help you get out of pain.